Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money with Shopify. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. Are you looking to generate revenue through the internet? One popular option is using Shopify, an e-commerce platform that allows users to create online stores. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, Shopify has become a go-to option for many entrepreneurs. In this video, we'll show you how to use Shopify to make money. First, let's talk about what Shopify is. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that allows users to create online stores. It's a hosted platform that provides users with everything they need to get their store up and running, including a customizable storefront, shopping cart, and payment processing. You can choose from a variety of templates to make your store look professional, or you can customize your own using the platform's drag-and-drop website builder. One of the ways to use Shopify is to sell products online. It's easy to set up and manage a store, and it has a wide range of features such as product management, inventory management, payment processing, shipping, and more. You can easily add and manage products, track inventory levels, set up shipping rates and taxes, and more. With Shopify, you can also integrate with a variety of payment gateways, such as PayPal, Stripe, and more, so that customers can easily make purchases on your store. Another way to use Shopify is through dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to keep any inventory in stock. Instead, when a customer orders a product from your store, you simply order it from your supplier and have it shipped directly to the customer. This is a great way to start an online business with little investment up front. You can find dropshipping suppliers through Shopify's App Store, or by using a platform like Oberlo or AliExpress. Additionally, you can use Shopify to create a subscription-based business. A subscription business is a type of business where customers pay a recurring fee for access to your products or services. Shopify makes it easy to set up recurring payments and manage your subscribers. You can offer subscription services such as monthly product boxes, exclusive members-only content, or access to exclusive deals and discounts. Another great feature of Shopify is its powerful marketing and SEO tools. With Shopify, you can easily set up and run marketing campaigns, track your analytics, and optimize your website for search engines. This will help you to reach a larger audience and increase your sales. Now, let's talk about how to get started with Shopify. Setting up a Shopify account is easy. You can sign up for an account by visiting the Shopify website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Once you have entered your information and created an account, you will be able to access the Shopify platform and begin creating your store. Next step is creating a Shopify store. Once you have set up your Shopify account, you can begin creating your store. To do this, go to the Store tab in the left-hand navigation menu and click on Create Store. This will take you through the process of setting up your store, including choosing a name, selecting a domain, and adding products. Once you have completed these steps, your store will be live and ready for customers. Adding products to your Shopify store is also simple. You can add products manually by logging into your Shopify admin, clicking on Products, and then Add Product. From there, you can enter all of the relevant information about your product, such as its name, description, and images. You can also import products from other sources, such as AliExpress, or use a tool like Oberlo to easily import and manage your products. In conclusion, Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to easily create and manage an online store. With its user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, it's a great option for anyone looking to make money online. Whether you're looking to sell products online, start a dropshipping business, or a subscription-based service, Shopify makes it easy to do so. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos on Earnings 101 channel. And visit our website, www.earnings101.com, for more information on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online.